Made it very clear the Abolim operations have to continue, and we will do everything within our power to see that Aam Aadmi Party government will see that operations at Abolim will continue. Please note that we have already said Mopa is a big land scam. 54 lakh square meters of land has been just taken away from poor people and will prevail. Pollution is concerned, nobody will be able to tamper with that. The law has to take effect. Here what is happening is the law is not enforced because money bag politics is is practiced here. So we are going to abolish money bag politics. Tourism is our backbone. But the way tourism is handled across Goa, tourism is crumbling. So tourism needs ideas. We have those ideas. We are going to put tourism back on track. We have already said it in our manifesto. We are going to double the revenue that will accrue from tourism.
Road Yatra of ours is basically to bring about change in governance. Goa is flooded with corruption, and the broom will definitely clean away corruption in Goa. We here, the 40 candidates, have been very clear candidates, very clean candidates, and which we look at cleaning corruption in Goa. That is the reason why this whole yatra of the Aam Aadmi is. Regarding the pollution in Vasco, it is a very clear cut that we shall not take pollution anymore in Vasco once Aam Aadmi Party comes to power.
Proper monitoring nothing, coal pollution. The standards which have been set by Pollution Control Board and maintain korungna. आओ सर की ensure कोत्तेली कि Pollution Control Board अपरमने जे direction दिला ते implement कोत्तेले.